Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome in my class. There is an English for grade 2 and we are learning unit number 5 and its title is Harsher's Honesty. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, today's lecture is lecture number 6. We are going to start about read and understand the text and we will cover up our remaining lecture, that half lecture we have left last day. So today we are going to cover up that. So before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned about on page number 36 about the names of given pictures with correct spellings. So how we can get spelling rules. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's student learning outcome is read aloud words and simple sentences with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciations. So today again we will learn about pronunciation and we will get about our comprehension skills, that how we can comprehend a text. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah As-Sabah, verse number 26, my dear students, say our Lord will gather us together, then He will judge between us with the truth, for He is the all-knowing judge. So my dear students, this beautiful verse is giving us a message that what we are doing in our whole life, so that all our actions Allah Almighty is knowing and judging nicely. So one day He will gather us, okay, on a point, and He will inquire about everything that we have done in this world, and definitely He is knowing everything. So He will demand from us that we should speak the truth. If we will not speak, so He will reveal the truth in front of us, that what we had done in our whole life. Okay, so be careful, my dear students. We should commit that we will try to be good in our whole life. Ameen. Okay, so next we are going to start our next chapter. Okay, here is a question for you. Who found the purse on the footpath? So last day we had read half story, my dear students. So try to brainstorm your idea and tell me who found the purse on the footpath. Good job, my dear students. Good. Yes, who found? Harsher found. Okay, we are going to start now next the remaining text. He reached home and gave that purse to his father. He told his father that he found this one on his way. He praised Harsher for his honesty. So yes, what happened when he was not able to decide that what we have to do, because he couldn't find anyone on the way. So what he did? Yes, he went home and gave that purse to his father, and his father praised his honesty, that how he is honest, that he gave this thing to his father, to their family, parents. So next, there is a word for you. Praised means admired. So my dear students, when we do something good, so definitely our teacher praises, our parents praises. So it means they admire us. Okay, they say good words about us. So this is called praised. Next, Harsher's parents were very delighted that their son was an honest person. Harsher's father handed over that purse to the policeman of his area. Okay, have you got, my dear students? What happened? They were very delighted. Delighted means they were very happy, glad that their son is an honest person. Okay, even in this age. So definitely if we will be honest, these habits will develop in our personality, my dear students. So we have to be honest at any cost. So what happened? They were very glad, and what his father did? His father gave this purse to the policeman. Okay, have you got that? That was our today's story. So delighted means you can say that glad, happy. Handed over, give to someone else. Okay, handed over means to give things to someone else. So this is called handed over. So what you have to do, you have to give me a question. There is a question for you and you have to answer it. Why were Harsher parents delighted? Why they were delighted? Even I have discussed right now. Good job. Yes, they were delighted because their son was an honest boy. Okay. So next, reading time. So it's reading time is for you, my dear students. What you have to do, you have to pause the video and read the text again with common accuracy and pronunciation. Okay, pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done it in a nice way. Very good, my dear students. And now you have got that how this interesting story guide us to be a truthful person. Good job. So now what you have to do? You have to do, my dear teacher, you have to get your students in question number 1, answer the following questions. Questions are there and you have to give their answers in your notebook. So my dear teacher, you have to pause the video and get these answers in your notebook. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it and you have got it because all these questions already I had discussed during lecture. Good job. So yes, here is another question. Question number 2, you have to tick the correct option for each statement and that question you have to perform on your book. Okay. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it. Good, excellent work. So what's your homework for today? Yes, you have to write question number 1 in your notebook. Question number 1, what we had already, comprehension questions were there, so that you have to rewrite in your notebook and you have to get these answers, questions for tomorrow test. Okay. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how they have got about an ST. So what we have learned today? Yes, we have covered today. We read and understood the text. Next one, we practiced reading aloud simple sentences with accuracy in pronunciation. And what we have to do, and we have taken the dictation of these words, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So I hope, my dear students, today's lecture you have enjoyed and you have got that how we have to be honest in our daily life. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.